Alright guys, so we're actually on our way to this spot in downtown. It's a pretty open spot. We're gonna go ahead and test out the launch control on this car. We're gonna fully put it on track mode, take the traction off. It's gonna be a crazy video. We're actually not that far from there. We're like 10 minutes away. But yeah, if you guys want to see more of these videos, hit that subscribe button. You guys already know. I'm gonna put a little bit more details on the description. If you guys want to know more about this car, I'm gonna put it all on the description. Instagram, if you guys want to follow me, it's gonna be in the description too. But without further ado, stay tuned. All right, what's up guys, we're back with another video. If you guys haven't checked out my last one, go check it out. But today's video, we're testing out the launch control on the SL63 S. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. We're gonna get a couple shots of this, strictly launch control test. But let's do a quick little walk around so you guys can check out exactly how this car looks. It is a little dirty, so it's still fast for sure. They got the carbon ceramic brakes on it. It's fully packaged. Matte black, factory black. Everything's stock. It's pushing 800 horsepower. It's hybrid for the people that are not familiar with the SL63 S E Performance. Pretty crazy. You got the upgraded rims. It is a drop top for those that do not know, but carbon fiber stud, red interior. It got the flag, AMG flag on there. Pretty much fully spec'd out. It got the wing up. It ain't a GT3 RS with the wing up, but it's still an SL63 S with the wing up. Space on this truck, not that big. Essentials like skateboard and stuff like that. But yeah, charger, so you can charge the hybrid battery. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get some launches going. Stay tuned. Go. You got it?
Yeah.
I can do donuts. It is an all-wheel drive for those that are not familiar with this car. It is a little bit of a hassle trying to put donuts on this car, but let me know down in the comments what you guys rate this car. Yeah, the launch control on this picks up very quick. It is all-wheel drive. I had it at the most like sport. No, it was on track with the traction off, fully track mode right now. Everything's on track right now. I just want to do a quick little video. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button, press the like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I just wanted to do a quick little video of this. Alright guys, before I end the video, you know we're gonna have to hit that tunnel real quick. I put the top down. some crazy features this car does have. Got the energy flow from the engine to the battery. Drive, make sure everything's up to par. Got the vehicle, whatever, engine. We're gonna full send it real quick for you guys. Smash that like button. Smash that like button if you guys want to see more car content. I got more videos coming. All right, let's get it.
That's what I said.
Huh?
That's what I told you. Oh.
Any more cops, I'm gonna end the video right here. I think I ended it like 5 times, but for sure I'm gonna end it right here. I'll catch you guys on the next one.